Hey everyone, it's Ramakrishna. Today we're diving into the world of natural remedies with coriander seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote wellness. Ready to unlock the power of coriander seeds? Let's get started. Let's break down why these little seeds are nutritional powerhouses. Coriander seeds are like nature's multivitamin, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking about vitamin C for a strong immune system and vitamin K for blood clotting and bone health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function, while iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body. Their rich concentration of antioxidants fights off free radicals, protecting our cells and reducing inflammation. Coriander seeds are also a great source of fiber, essential for a healthy gut. Let's talk about the incredible benefits of coriander seeds for digestion. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to maintaining a healthy gut. If you struggle with bloating, gas, or indigestion, coriander seeds can help. They have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to alleviate these common digestive issues. They contain carminatives which relax digestive muscles and relieve gas. This means that consuming coriander seeds can help ease the discomfort associated with these symptoms. Coriander also stimulates digestive enzymes, aiding in better nutrient absorption. This is crucial because it ensures that your body gets the most out of the food you eat. One simple way to experience these benefits is by incorporating coriander water into your routine. This easy-to-make drink can be a game-changer for your digestive health. Soak a teaspoon of coriander seeds in water overnight, strain it in the morning, and enjoy. This method allows the seeds to release their beneficial compounds into the water. Or brew a soothing cup of coriander tea by boiling a teaspoon of seeds in water. This warm beverage can be particularly comforting and effective. A healthy gut impacts everything from your mood and energy levels to your immunity. When your digestive system is functioning well, you feel better overall. So, give your digestive system some TLC with coriander seeds. Incorporating them into your diet is a simple yet effective way to promote gut health. It's a natural, gentle way to ease uncomfortable feelings after meals. Try it out and see the difference it can make in your digestive health. We're constantly bombarded with toxins from the environment, food, and stress. Coriander seeds can be a powerful ally in supporting your body's detoxification processes. They act like a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess water weight and toxins. Coriander seeds also support liver function, crucial for filtering out toxins. Their antibacterial and antifungal properties help cleanse the gut and promote good bacteria. Incorporating coriander seeds into your diet can support your body's natural detoxification processes. Let's face it, a strong immune system is more important than ever. Coriander seeds act like little warriors for your immune system. They're packed with antioxidants that fight off cell damage and reduce inflammation. Specific antioxidants like quercetin and tocopherols have potent immune-boosting properties. Quercetin has antiviral and anti-inflammatory effects, protecting against infections. By incorporating coriander seeds into your diet, you're giving your body an army of antioxidants to stay healthy. When we think about heart health, diet and exercise are crucial. But did you know that adding certain spices to your meals can also support your cardiovascular system? Coriander seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels, beneficial for people with diabetes. Uncontrolled blood sugar can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of heart disease. Coriander seeds have also been linked to lower LDL cholesterol levels. High levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries. Compounds in coriander seeds can have a mild diuretic effect, promoting healthy blood pressure. We've covered the incredible health benefits of coriander seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that can boost your overall health. But knowing their benefits is just the first step. But how do you actually use these tiny seeds in your daily life? Let's explore some simple and effective ways to incorporate coriander seeds into your everyday routine. Start with the simplest method, coriander water. This refreshing drink is easy to prepare and can be a great way to kickstart your day. Soak a teaspoon of coriander seeds in water overnight, strain it in the morning, and enjoy. This simple habit can help with digestion and detoxification. If you prefer tea, brew a soothing cup of coriander tea by boiling a teaspoon of seeds in water. This aromatic tea can be a perfect way to relax after a long day. Add other spices like ginger, lemon, or honey for extra flavor. These additions not only enhance the taste but also bring additional health benefits. Coriander seeds can also add a wonderful earthy flavor to your favorite dishes. Sprinkle them into soups, stews, or even while cooking rice for an extra burst of flavor. Toast and grind the seeds to make your own coriander powder for soups, stews, and curries. Freshly ground coriander powder has a more intense flavor compared to store-bought versions. Use whole coriander seeds to add a crunchy texture to salads, marinades, and bread. They can also be a delightful addition to homemade pickles and chutneys. Start incorporating coriander seeds into your diet a few times a week and see the positive impact on your health. With their versatile uses and numerous benefits, coriander seeds can be a valuable addition to your daily routine. Ready to take your coriander seed game to the next level? Coriander seeds are not just for cooking. They can be transformed into a delightful and health-boosting tea. Try this DIY coriander detox tea recipe. It's simple, effective, and can be made with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. This tea combines coriander seeds with cumin and fennel for even more health benefits. Each of these spices brings its own unique properties to the mix. Cumin reduces bloating, while fennel is a natural diuretic that helps flush out toxins. Together, they create a powerful blend that supports digestion and detoxification. To make this tea, you'll need 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. These seeds are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve digestion. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cumin is great for boosting metabolism and aiding in weight loss. And half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are excellent for reducing water retention and improving overall gut health. Combine these spices with 2 cups of water and bring to a boil. The boiling process helps to release the essential oils and beneficial compounds from the seeds. Let the mixture simmer for 5 minutes, strain, and enjoy warm. This allows the flavors to meld together, creating a soothing and aromatic tea. Customize your tea with lemon or honey for extra flavor. Lemon adds a zesty kick, while honey provides a touch of sweetness and additional health benefits. We've explored the amazing world of coriander seeds and their wide range of health benefits. These tiny seeds are a testament to the power of nature to heal and nourish our bodies. Don't overlook those humble coriander seeds in your spice rack. Try incorporating coriander seeds into your daily routine through water, tea, or your favorite dishes. Your body will thank you.